Okay, so today we are going to discuss the fourth topic under current affair, and we are discussing the topics from economy perspective. We had already covered three topics by now. This is the fourth topic that we are going to cover. This is lead index. Okay, so this is lead index that we are going to cover. So let us understand why it was in news. Okay, so Gujarat has retained the highest place in the second edition of the logistics ease across different states. Okay, logistics ease across different states leads index. So Gujarat has retained this highest place in the second edition. So this is the second edition of the leads index. Leads stands for logistics ease across different states. So let us learn more about the news. Okay, let us learn more about the news. So among the union territories, okay, among the union territories, Chandigarh occupied the top position, followed by Delhi and Puducherry. Okay, so Chandigarh is at number one, then followed by Delhi at number two, and then Puducherry, okay, number three. So these are the three union territories, okay, that have retained the top three positions. Top position is retained by Chandigarh, followed by Delhi, and then Puducherry. So let us learn about the leads index. Okay, so what is leads index? So I have already told leads stands for logistics ease across different states. Okay, so the index is developed by the Commerce and Industry Ministry along with Deloitte. Okay, so the leads index is developed by the Commerce and Industry Ministry along with Deloitte. The indicators covered in the index are, what are the indicators covered in the index? They are quality of transport and logistics infrastructure, quality of services offered by logistics service providers, efficiency of regulatory processes, favorability of operating environment, ease of arranging logistics at competitive rates, timeline of cargo delivery, then safety or security of cargo movement, ease of track and trace. Okay, ease of track and trace. So now let us learn more about it. Okay, leads index makes a perception based assessment of international trade logistics across Indian states and union territories, focusing on users and stakeholders. Okay, the 2019 edition has expanded its focus to look at both domestic and international trade. So it is an important information that the 2019 edition has expanded its focus, okay, to look at both domestic and international trade, okay, along with an overall composite assessment of logistic performance across states. Leads also provides indicator level assessment. Okay, it also provides indicator level assessment of performance on specific dimensions. Okay, logistics simply means like how smoothly the cargo is able to move, okay, from one state to another state. So this is tracked under the leads index. Okay, so Gujarat has retained the top position. Among union territories, Chandigarh is the first, Delhi is the second, and Puducherry is the third, is at third place. Okay, so this is the thing. Now let us understand some more information about leads index. Okay, so efficiency pace. So if we talk about the leads index, what happens? What is the aim of the leads index? Aim is to rank states based on ease of logistics. Okay, now if we talk about result, top three states retain position from last year. Okay, so last year also whatever top three states were there, this year also, like same states have top. Okay, so there is no changing in ranking when we talk about the top three states. The next thing is parameters that it includes is infrastructure availability, quality, delivery time, and tracking. Okay, these are the parameters that are used by the leads index. Now, if we talk about top five states under leads index, they are Gujarat at number one, Punjab at number two, Andhra Pradesh at number three, Maharashtra at number four, Tamil Nadu at number five. If we talk about bottom five states, they are Jammu and Kashmir at number 18, Uttarakhand at number 19, Bihar at number 20, Goa at number 21, and Himachal Pradesh at 22. Okay, these are the bottom five states, and these are the top five states. Okay, in India, and top three union territories are Chandigarh, Delhi, and Puducherry. Okay, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Puducherry. So this is all about the leads index. Now let us move to the next topic for the day, which is Saral index. We are going to discuss about Saral index. So why it was a news? Because Karnataka has topped the state rooftop solar attractiveness index. Okay, this is the full form of SARAL, state rooftop solar attractiveness index, SARAL ranking. Okay, so Karnataka has topped in the SARAL ranking, which was recently released by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Okay, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has released this particular index, and in this index, Karnataka has topped. Okay, so let us understand about background to this particular index. Okay, so the cumulative rooftop solar installation as of March 2019 is this 4.37 gigawatt. Okay, so cumulative rooftop solar installation across states in India, okay, is as of March 2019 is 4.37 gigawatt. This has to grow tenfold. It has to grow like 10 times, so as to achieve the target of 40 gigawatt by 2022. Okay, so this thing has to grow 10 times so that we can achieve the target of 40 gigawatts. Okay, by 2022. Now, various states have different rooftop solar policies, incentives, incentive metering, regulation, and rooftop availability. Their electricity tariffs, consumer mix, and robustness of distribution infrastructure also vary. Okay, therefore, a standardized tool that can assess and evaluate various states for their preparedness to support rooftop solar deployment is critical. So here we just need to understand that this SARAL index talks about, like how are we able to generate electricity. Okay, means like generation of electricity using solar power. Okay, so it is, state rooftop solar attractiveness index. Okay, this is the thing. So government has a target of achieving 40 gigawatt by 2022, but as of March 2019, it was just 4.37 gigawatt. Okay, so in this respect, let us learn about this SARAL index in detail. Okay, so Karnataka leads with the SARAL score of 78.76. Telangana stands at the second position, followed by Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. So Karnataka is top. Telangana is at the second position. Gujarat is in the third position. Andhra Pradesh fourth, and Rajasthan fifth. Okay, these are the top 5 states. The index aims to objectively assess states based on several parameters critical for establishing strong solar rooftop markets. These parameters belong to 5 broad categories. What are those 5 broad categories? Okay, they are robustness of policy framework. Okay, one of the categories robustness of policy framework. Second is effectiveness of policy support or implementation environment. Third is consumer experience. Okay, fourth is investment climate for rooftop solar sector. Fifth is business ecosystem. Okay, so the thing is, these are the 5 broad categories under this, development of a strong solar rooftop market. What are the 5 broad categories? Once again, they are robustness of policy framework. Second, effectiveness of policy support or implementation environment. Third is consumer experience. Fourth is investment climate for rooftop solar sector. Fifth is business ecosystem. Now, if we talk about other parameters of this index, the index serves as an important tool to benchmark development and deployment of solar rooftop in states. Okay, identify states that require more hand holding in terms of policy and investment push. Identify investment opportunities. Recognize the states that need financing support for development of solar rooftop. Okay, gradually establish a knowledge sharing platform where the progressive states can share their experience with other states. Okay, so this is all about SARAL index. SARAL stands for State Rooftop Solar Attractiveness Index. Under this index, what we do, we rank different states, okay, according to the uh, initiatives that they are taking to make the solar rooftop, to make solar rooftop or to enable such environment that can lead to creation of solar rooftop. So with this, like, we have discussed all the 5 topics for the day. Okay, so anyone having any question related to the topics that we have discussed,